We used to dream beneath the stars, believing love could heal our scars. Now silence fills the empty space. I'm only left with your embrace in memories. Every promise fades away, like colors washed by endless rain. I try to smile, I try to move, but my heart still calls your name. A broken relationship, a shattered heart, two souls who slowly drift apart. The love we built is gone today. Your memory will always stay. Even if our roads divide, a part of you lives deep inside. No matter where this life may lead, you'll always be a part of me. The pictures hanging on the wall remind me how we had it all. Now every corner of this room echoes with the love we lost too soon. Maybe one day time will heal. Maybe these wounds won't feel so real. But until that day finally comes, I'll carry your love inside my heart. The broken relationship tears in the night, searching for a fading light. Though forever we've said goodbye, our memories will never die. I'll keep walking, I'll stay strong, even when you're long gone, because true love leaves its mark, a shining light within the dark.